All right, hi everyone. You got Miss Sundberg today. Today you're going to learn about what to do here for this assignment. I'm not necessarily going to do the assignment for you, but I'm going to give you an example of what the expectations are. So I think you can find this this little definition page in your packet. I think it's page 9. It should be page 9 if it's not. Find this, you have it. And then you have kind of some important words along the side here. These ones here are pretty important. The whole unit is kind of about these. So if you can do and understand these and know these, you're good to go. So what we're asking, Mr. Brewer and I, is if you could include the definition of what you know a mixture is. Now you can go out onto Google and find what the definition of a mixture is. Totally cool by me. In fact, welcome by me. You know, you can totally know what a mixture is by Google. Totally fine. So even if I do Google this, it says a mixture is a substance made by mixing other substances together. Okay, so got the definition, great, so please look that up. And now here's the thing for the picture. We are going to require that you do 2 pictures. One picture that you can actually see with your eyes, like what the world around you would look like, because a lot of these, you can see them visually, you know, around your kitchen or whatever, and then we also want you to know what it looks like microscopically. Microscopically. What do the atoms look like? How would they be represented? How would they be arranged? Okay, so I think I've gotten a couple things in here. So I'm actually going to go and I'm going to find these pictures. Let's see if I can actually find the pictures here. I'm going to add a picture or an image, and I got 2 images. So here's my first image. Okay. I'm going to add that. Now it's obviously way too big. So I have a picture of what a mixture looks like. So a mixture could be a nice fresh green salad. Could be Chex Mix, some of my favorite things, or a mixture can even be paint when you mix many different colors together. Once they're totally mixed and you can't tell the difference between all the colors, then obviously it wouldn't be a mixture. So I hope you get the idea of what I mean by what you see with your eye now. And then we are going to go ahead and we're going to add a picture of what you would see at the particulate level or the microscopic level. So let's go ahead and add that picture. We have an existing picture already that I've already gotten. So here's what this existing picture looks like. I'm going to shrink it down here so it fits in my box. Looks like that. Okay, so there we go. We're ready to go. We got our visual of what we see here. We got our particulate level or the microscopic level here, and then we're done. Cool. Hope that helps you guys understand what the expectations are for this, and we will hopefully see you later. Bye.